Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to search within an ebook on MedOne Vet. Searching within an ebook is one of the many ways you can use search to your advantage when researching in our ebook collection. This feature is particularly useful in a book such as Illustrated Veterinary Anatomical Nomenclature, as this is a book that is considerable in size and has a large amount of information. Illustrated Veterinary Anatomical Nomenclature is a collection of labeled images that refer to the Latin nomenclature of a part of an animal's body, along with the definition. Previously, this book was only available in a physical textbook format, requiring students to refer to the index of the book every time they were looking for information on a specific body part. But now, for the first time, it's available in a searchable format on MedOne Vet, allowing students to search for the body part that they're looking for and get to it considerably faster than if they were going into the index of the physical book. To search for something within the ebook, go to Search Within Illustrated Veterinary Anatomical Nomenclature at the top of the page. Click in the search bar and enter the term that you're looking for. This time, let's search for a heart. Your search results will arrive quickly and provide both text and image results. If you're looking for text results, you can find them here as well as here. And if you're looking for strictly image results, when you see the images, video, and audio section, you can select Show All, and it will route you to exclusively the image results. This is a much faster way of interacting with this essential text as a student and as an instructor, allowing for ease of use of this essential text. We hope that this information helps you make the most of your MedOne Vet subscription. Thank you.